Hi, I'm Roberto and I'm going to teach you physics. I don't know how, because I rely a lot on experiments, because science is based on experiment. Let's talk about that. I don't know if I've talked about. Yes, I think so. Science needs experiment. So it's a quick science. Science tries to solve problems, and needs experiments. Needs experiments. Why? Because it's based on facts. Okay? Needs experiments. That makes it based on facts. So it needs facts and an interpretation. That's how I understand it. Interpretation. That's why statistics come into picture, because statistics help us understand the experiment and get information. Statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics. For years, it has only been the only branch of mathematics that I could stand. It continues to be the case, because for me the problem with mathematics is that I found them too theoretical, too complicated, too abstract. Yeah, people say the same about physics, but anyway. So I need experiments. That's my conclusion. I arrived at this conclusion last week, but I forgot to bring the experiments. I have like more than 100 experiments, short experiments that will help us understand more things. But I forgot. And I don't know what to talk to you about. I don't know. But it feels comfortable now to talk to the camera and to say things and to, yes, it's becoming a habit. I started almost 3 weeks ago. And I didn't speak out. I don't remember what I was talking about, but very little about what we can talk. Yes, especially because when I record myself here, I'm super tired and I don't have the experiments or the material to teach you things. I'm going to tell you a story. Yeah, I'm going to tell you a story. I think you would like it. There was a king. No, I told you this story already. I don't remember. Okay, let's suppose I didn't tell you. If it's the second time I tell you the story, then you switch the video and that's it. There was this king, yes. Then during the sunset, he knew that he was going to die because he had this crab illness. Right? He was going to do of cancer. That's why he has cancer means literally crab in Latin. So he called his 3 sons and told them, today I'm going to decide who is going to be the next king. The bigger one said, come on, I was supposed to be the new king because I'm the oldest one. The second said, come on, don't say that because I'm the strongest. I'm the strongest, so I'm going to be the new king. And the third said, oh, father, you're going to die. Don't say that. So the king continued continued the father, will be the one who answers these questions. Yes, I think I told you the story already. I told you this story. I think so. That what the fine this. Okay. Yes, I told this story. I told you this story. I remember. Now I remember writing the sense and how many sheep you can count. Yeah, I told you this story. So how this story continues. Some years later in this same kingdom, it was decided that the time since 12 and 60 was so important, 12 side can count. Yeah, just in case you didn't remember the story. The smaller one would cost Nabucco. Yes, Nabucodonosor. Yeah, I told you the story. Yeah, I remember. Clearly. So you can count with one hand to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, you can count to 12. And then with the other hand, you can count to 12, 24, 40, 36, 48, and 60. Count to 60. So the day was divided into 12 hours of last sunlight, 12 hours of dark, and 60. Oh my god. And yeah. And each hour was divided into 60 minutes, and each minute into 60 seconds. So that makes that the length of one whole day is 8,604,000 seconds. That's how that, yeah. That's why it was defined this second. Okay, similar to the heartbeat. Give you an idea. Yeah, about yes, the definitions, the divisions. Now we would have divided into like 10 hours of sunlight, 10 hours of darkness. Each minute will have, each hour will have 10 minutes, each minute would have 10 seconds. But they try to do it. They try to make this the week of 10 days and the days with 10 hours during the French Revolution, but it didn't, nobody liked it. French Revolution. Even the calendar with 10 months. Revolution. Napoleon was a clever guy, and this French Revolution things, he knew he was playing the two games. He wanted to be emperor. He needed the Pope. So one thing he did was to reverse the calendar to have a Gregorian again. So he didn't succeed this calendar in the time. Okay. 5 minutes more. Okay, the story. The time games, that's what they created, because counting time was so important that they make this game, which was in the palace, in the castle. There was a planted stick, and the king at noon on this winter summer solstice, he marked the shadow of the. Oh, come on.